Honor has recently expanded its product lineup with the launch of the Honor Pad 9, also known as Tablet 9, initially introduced in China at the end of 2023 and aimed primarily at the education sector. This 12.1 tablet made its international debut at MWC, and we've got our hands on a unit for review. Alongside the tablet, Honor is offering a smart Bluetooth keyboard, available separately but at a discount when purchased as part of a bundle. Designed with horizontal use in mind, the Pad 9 positions its main and front-facing cameras to support this orientation, enhancing its usability for educational purposes. The tablet comes with a Bluetooth keyboard equipped with magnets, allowing it to stand at an angle suited for various users, including children. Featuring dual speakers on each side and a USB-C port for charging its 8,300 mAh battery, the Honor Pad 9 promises ample audio-visual enjoyment. Our review unit boasts 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, with no option for microSD expansion. Priced at £299.99 RRP alone, or £349.99 when bundled with the keyboard, we're eager to dive into our review to determine its value for money. Additionally, the Honor Pad X9 is highlighted as a budget-friendly option focusing on media consumption. It features an 11.5-inch, 5:3, 1200x2000 pixel display with a 120 Hz refresh rate and an impressive 6-speaker system for an immersive sound experience. Despite its large battery capacity of 7,250 mAh, the Pad X9 maintains a slim 6.9 mm profile and a lightweight design at 495 grams, complete with an aluminum back and frame, emphasizing its portability and durability. The Honor Pad X9 is introduced as a versatile tablet with specifications that cater to users looking for a balance between functionality and affordability. Let's break down its key features to understand what it offers. Body. The tablet boasts a sleek design with a glass front, aluminum frame, and back, measuring 267.3 by 167.4 x 6.9 mm and weighing 495 grams. This build suggests a premium feel while maintaining portability. Display. An 11.50 inches TFT LCD screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate offers smooth visuals, and its 1200 by 2000 px resolution in a 15:9 aspect ratio provides decent clarity at 203 pixels per inch. This setup is geared towards providing a good viewing experience for media consumption and reading. Chipset. Powered by the Qualcomm SM6225 Snapdragon 685, an octa-core processor that combines 4 by 2.8 GHz Cortex-A73 and 4 by 1.9 GHz Cortex-A53 cores with an Adreno 610 GPU. While this setup offers modern features, its performance is categorized as modest, suitable for everyday tasks but not for intense gaming or heavy multitasking. Memory. The tablet is equipped with 128 GB of internal storage and 4 GB RAM, which should suffice for basic app usage and media storage. However, the absence of expandable storage might be a limitation for users who need more space. OS, software. It runs on Android 13 with Magic OS 7.1, offering a user-friendly interface with the latest Android features. Cameras. Both the rear and front cameras are 5 megapixels with f/2.2 aperture, capable of 1080p video capture at 30 fps. These specifications are modest and likely sufficient for video calls and basic photography. Battery. A 7,250 mAh battery with 22.5W charging support promises a day's usage, although it comes bundled with a 10W charger, which may mean longer charging times. Connectivity. The tablet supports Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.1. Notably, it lacks cellular connectivity in its standard version, with an LTE variant available in select Asian markets. Miscellaneous. Features like an accelerometer and stereo speakers, with 6 speakers, enhance the usability and multimedia experience of the tablet. While the Honor Pad X9 presents itself as an appealing option for users prioritizing media consumption and general use, the modest RAM and the lack of expandable storage could be seen as limitations for those requiring more from their devices. The Snapdragon 685 chipset provides a balance between efficiency and performance for everyday applications, making the Pad X9 a consideration for users looking for a mid-range tablet with solid build quality and a good display. The Honor Pad X9 emerges as a noteworthy contender in the tablet market, particularly for those prioritizing media consumption on the go. This device, with its robust build comprising a glass front, aluminum frame, and back, alongside a lightweight and thin profile, presents a compelling package for its price point. Key specifications at a glance. Body: 267.3 by 167.4 by 6.9 mm, 495 grams, offering a sleek and portable design. Display: 11.5 inches TFT LCD with a 120 Hz refresh rate and 1200 x 2000px resolution, ensuring smooth and detailed visuals. Chipset: Qualcomm SM6225 Snapdragon 685, providing adequate performance for everyday tasks. Memory: 128 GB storage and 4 GB RAM, catering to basic storage needs without expandability. OS, software: Android 13 with Magic OS 7.1, offering a user-friendly interface. Cameras: dual 5-megapixels cameras for simple photography and video calls. Battery: 7,250 mAh with 22.5 W charging support, promising long usage times. Connectivity: Wi-Fi 5 and BT 5.1, suitable for most wireless connections. Unboxing experience: the Pad X9 is presented in an eco-friendly 2-piece cardboard box, reflecting Honor's subtle approach to sustainability. The package includes a basic 10W charger and a USB Type-A to Type-C cable, aligning with the trend of minimalistic retail packaging while still covering the essentials. Performance insights: the Honor Pad X9 shines as a media device, thanks to its large, vivid display and a unique 6-speaker setup aimed at delivering a 360-degree audio experience. While the audio performance may not exceed all expectations, it remains solid, complementing the bright and vibrant display well. However, the modest 4 GB RAM and lack of cellular connectivity in some versions may limit its appeal for more demanding users or those seeking comprehensive connectivity options. The camera setup, while adequate for video calls, won't impress those interested in tablet photography. Availability and pricing: priced attractively at €250 per £180 for the 4 128GB configuration, the Honor Pad X9 is available in various regions, including Malaysia, the UAE, Saudi Arabia, the UK, France, Germany, and Italy. Honor enhances the deal with optional bundles featuring discounted accessories like the Honor Band 7, Earbuds X5, and Earbuds 3 Pro. Final thoughts: the Honor Pad X9 positions itself as an affordable, feature-packed option for media enthusiasts. Its design, display, and battery life stand out as key strengths, making it a solid choice for users looking for a budget-friendly media tablet. While it may not excel in every aspect, such as camera quality or performance power, its overall value proposition is hard to overlook for those seeking a portable entertainment device. Thanks for tuning in to Future Phone Flash. We hope you enjoyed today's tech journey as much as we did. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future tech flashes. Your support fuels our passion for tech, and we can't wait to bring you more thrilling updates from the smartphone universe. Until next time, keep flashing forward into the future of tech.